again with my second entry to the Gorguss Girl mini album giveaway. This one coming via Carolyn Vega, who is also known as Teatime and Dolls. Carolyn has decided to enter some actual goodies to add to the giveaway, but she has decided not to participate in actually entering into the giveaway because she already owns a mini album of mine. So I went ahead and opened the package, and I'm going to share with you what Carolyn has sent. And thank you, Carolyn. Of course, I do appreciate you being so generous so as to share some goodies to add to the giveaway. This is extremely generous of you, and I'm just so very blessed to have met you. Carolyn has decided here from, I took a sneak peek at her video, so if you do want to watch her video of how she made some of these items, I believe she explains that. And I do think she has a tutorial also, so I'm sorry I didn't watch the entire thing. I've been away and just returned home, as I explained in the previous video, so I'm getting back into the swing of things, and I appreciate your patience through all of this. So it looks here like this was tied together like this one. It may have come loose, it's looking like. So I'm going to go ahead and separate these out, and I'll walk you through each one. I'm going to start here, and the entries for the giveaway were that you could send in an ATC explaining your style, of course showing off your artwork, because an artist trading card is meant for that. And this is what Carolyn is sending in. It's absolutely gorgeous. What she's done is that she made, with her own paper line available on Etsy, a little handbag. Look at how beautiful that is. And she designed it and cut it out and assembled it and everything, and I do believe she's got a tutorial on this. Please correct me if I'm wrong, but I think she may be selling this as well. So as you can see, she's added the little butterflies. These are part of her paper collection, and the little rose cabochon here that you see. She's added some ribbon. The paper collection is absolutely stunning, so if you're not familiar with it, go ahead and go pick that up on Etsy so that you can use it as well. And you can see here it opens with this little ribbon. So let's take a look inside and see what's in here. This is absolutely beautiful, Carolyn. Let's see here. So, okay, so this is her ATC entry. And look at how beautiful that is. And of course, the album that I'm giving away is Gorguss Girl themed. So it's very befitting that she would make her ATC with a little Gorguss Girl also. She's added a little umbrella, some flowers with glitter, as you can see there, another little glittered rose, and all in the shabby chic style, which displays her likes. And there's a little rose cluster here that she's added. She's colored the little girl to match the papers, and she's added some more roses down here. And this is all from the paper collection. There's a little white frame behind the Gorguss Girl, and this all has what looks to be like a doily on the edges there, and a piece of lace here also. So very, very delicate and pretty. And there's a little bow here, and I'm going to untie this. And okay, so this is the back, and this comes out, and look at how beautiful that is. So she's added a little embellishment there. Absolutely lovely. And this is another little doily ribbon. And let's take a look here. Open it up. Oh, okay, so this is her information. So there's a beautiful picture of Carolyn. So pretty. And then it has here, okay, so this is what she's done to give me her information. It says, God is first in my life. I appreciate the small things. Shabby chic is my favorite. She's got a list of her favorite colors, her birthday, inspiring little girls with self-esteem. Absolutely awesome. And then where you can find Carolyn, who is Teatime and Dolls, on Instagram and Facebook. She's also a blogger, has a YouTube account, and has her work on Etsy. And it says, I believe in love is the key to heal yourself and the world. And I agree, Carolyn. Thank you so much. This is absolutely beautiful. I do love the way that you share your inspiration and your artwork. It's just stunning. So I will be treasuring that, and I appreciate your generosity. So this here, let's take a look at this. It says giveaway Okay, giveaway, sending hugs. So Carolyn's giveaway goodies are these that she's adding to the album. So as you can see here, this looks to be like a topper. And I do believe that's what she said, was that it was a couple of card toppers, and they do display the Gorguss girls. So she's made one in pink. Well, both of them are in pink and blues. This one has this lovely little white flower. It has the pink ribbon here tied at the bottom. I'm sorry for the glare. And it also has pink lace around the frame of the doll and some blue pearls there. Here we go. And then the background there is blue polka dotted, and then the little blue pearls to match. Just absolutely lovely. And the background paper there is also from her collection. And then this one here, as you can see, has the pink pearls, the blue lace, and then also from her collection, that very, very ornate frame that you see there in the background. So it's absolutely stunning. Thank you again, Carolyn. And then it looks like she's made some Gorguss girls. So look at these. I mean, how cute are these? They are so lovely. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. They have little flowers. I've never even seen flowers this small. They're so, so sweet. And then she's added little bows in their hair and everything. And they're all colored so beautifully too. So they're very dainty. These would be perfect for either your traveler's journal, toppers of cards, invitations, anything like that, or adding them to an album as well. So thank you so much, Carolyn. Those are so cute. I love all the detail. Oh my gosh, and the skin color too. That's what I like about the Gorguss girls, is that you can make them any skin color you want. So they can fit just anything, really. Very, very sweet. And then she's also included these beautiful flowers here. And these have pearl centers. They have crystal centers. This little crystal flower there with a rose in the center. And then the little silver sprig. So you can take a look at those. And these, of course, can be used to embellish any project you may be working on with these beautiful shabby colors, as well as the intense reds. So thank you once again, Carolyn. I am so very happy that you decided to participate in this giveaway. And I'm going to go ahead and open the third one here. So this was tied just like the other one. It's just that other one must have come loose in traveling. So, okay, so this says a gift for you. Oh my gosh, Carolyn. Spoiling me. Alrighty, so let's take a look at Carolyn's gift. So, oh my goodness, this is amazing. Alright, I'm going to set this aside so that we don't ruin that. And let's see here. I think I'm going to need a little bit of room. So she's also shared one of the toppers here with me. Oh, it's looking like two of these. So thank you, Carolyn. Oh my gosh. These are just so lovely. It's got also the little flowers with the pearl centers and her beautiful little girls colored in. This one has also that same little detail of the lace on the border and all of that layering. So cute. Thank you, Carolyn. And then, oh my gosh, she gave me some of the little dollies. How sweet. Oh my goodness. I love the little bows. You're gonna have to let me know where you got those itty bitty little bows. They're so adorable. I think those little touches of those little details there, I'm sorry if I wasn't in frame, they just add a special touch, you know. And the coloring again is so very pretty. And she's also shared some of these flowers. Look at that. Same little flowers, and these are they're not paper, guys. These are like applique flowers. So those are absolutely stunning. And she's also, oh wow, wait a minute. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at these. Okay, let's open these up. Oh my goodness. Carolyn, this is too much. Wow, look at these. I've never seen these. Where on earth? Oh my goodness. Okay, have you ever seen a doll this size? Look at this, is like the size of my very bad manicured fingernail there. Oh my goodness. And look at the little matryoshka. Oh wow, how lovely. And then handmade. Oh my goodness, these are so sweet. Wow, I've never seen anything like this. And this is chock full of these. So there's butterflies in there, roses, just a bunch of little wooden buttons, and they all have like little girls and stuff. How sweet. Oh my gosh. This is just adorable. Okay, let me set that aside. I'm getting too excited. And then this here, and now mind you, the giveaway was so that you could send in an ATC. So, or a card, I'm sorry, a tag, or anything else, but she's really gone above and beyond with these items. Oh my goodness, Carolyn, these are so adorable. Wow, okay. You must have a really good source. I don't have anything like this in my stash. Thank you so much. They're so girly, and you know what? I've been looking for items like this, so if you're willing to share your source, I would be most grateful because they're just adorable. And oh my goodness, even look at this. Little glitter M&M flowers, all sorts of goodies. So I'll set those aside. And there's another, oh my gosh. Wow. There's just so many little findings. And this gives a special touch to projects, of course, you know, because you can really personalize them. Oh, okay, so these are like, all right, little bottle caps. Awesome. All right, let me make sure I'm in frame here. And so there's a silver one, or a couple of silver ones and some black ones. These are fun. Little Christmas trees. Oh my gosh, look at the hanger. How sweet. Oh my gosh, a little black heart. These are so sweet. Little spoon, and then a teacup, or teapot, I'm sorry. And some little gingerbread men, and little Santa, and candy cane there with the tiniest little diamond. Oh my goodness, how adorable. Thank you so much, Carolyn. And then here she has sent, let's see, let's open it up. It looks to be like, well, I don't know, so I'm gonna open it because I'm not sure. So these look like appliques. Oh wow. Oh, how pretty, Carolyn. Wow, these are gorgeous. Okay, so there's these little appliques that are ovals here. Let me make sure that I don't mix them up. There's the little flowers. Let's see here. Another flower. Oh, pretty butterfly. I love putting these on the covers of the albums or on the spine. And then in pink, oh my gosh. I wonder if you made these, Carolyn. How pretty. They're so delicate and girly. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Just absolutely, just beautiful. Look at that one. It's got 3 flowers there with the pearls. Now, this is just a treasure trove of goodies here, Carolyn, and so very generous. I really, really do appreciate this because, again, it wasn't part of the entries, but she's gone way above and beyond here, and I do appreciate it because it allows us to really kind of, you know, glean on each other, from each other, as to how to make new projects and new styles. And I've always said I'm not shabby because I don't feel like that's my talent, but wow, oh my goodness, look at this. Wow, okay. Carolyn, this is out of this world beautiful. Wow, that is just stunning. Okay, so she's sharing some of her goods here. And I know that this is big, so wow, look at how pretty this one is with all the little dangles. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, let me make sure that you guys can see. So there's that. And this is also just stunning. I'm going to have to learn how to use this so that I can make, you know, do justice. And then here is this one. And look at that. So very dainty and beautiful. These pieces are just absolutely gorgeous. Carolyn, once again, I do thank you. And for the rest of you guys watching, I just want to let you know that this giveaway will be open until the 5th of October due to the delay in my responding to communications. Again, I do apologize for not being around, but I do appreciate your patience, and I love you guys for just being considerate of me and through this time, which is, well, I'll just leave it at that, and I thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys can be inspired, be blessed. Come back and watch the rest of the videos because you want to find out whether or not you're the winner. So to participate, reach me at paintsandglitter@gmail.com or leave a comment below if you feel comfortable with leaving me your email, and I'll send you my address, okay? Have a great day. Bye.